You're still watching the news on GBC News. Heavy rains that swept through parts of Accra left sections of the 37 lorry station submerged, disrupting transport services and business activities as drivers and traders counted their losses.
The story is not quite different from the other places, but we
ba na ba me shop no ma ho den of from ti dia me wona na me clean se be wo dia se ne dia me scan me kwa repair
ohia construction me no man na China for abeje station half e dey aye construction ti gota na o maye no wa raise gota no nti nso na ebo station na o say wura gota no nti me ko nti e kopim gota na nso no aba ha se na
e o bole we chirase nini na omusi omubefa ka na omubefa bola no full elimti no omutumi beti ukọ ha ukọ hewa bola ye ma oho
so yesrem se mo mehwe na ye station ade isi ade so ya fa ye kwaso ade enye kura yesrem amuso montumo ni kakra mehwe
me nema bibire nsuo fa me didwa besia mole agbelema nchino bibia nchina fa tidia nsuo se ni na no me kwotuguye.
This is what we have to report at the 37 lorry station. Reporting for GBC News, Benjamin ANYETEI'S, Accra.